There we go. Okay, so we're gonna practice working with tabs. Okay, so I'm gonna right-click into my File Explorer, and then I'm gonna open the Word 2013 student files. Okay, once we have that window open, this time we are gonna jump into the Unit C. Open that up. And give me a second here.
What do you want?
We're going to open WDC6. Okay, make sure we have the yellow bar. Click on Enable
Why do
Editing.
you have us working with all this food stuff all the time?
I know, right? Right when I'm hungry.
There.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Lunchtime.
Lunchtime. Almost. It's almost time.
Like,
Almost.
French dip sandwich, yum.
How about turkey bacon club?
That's pretty good.
All of it looks good.
I know.
Okay. Okay. Now, let's go ahead and make a copy of this. Okay, File, Save As. It's going to go under my computer. My Word 2013 10 a.m. folder. Okay. Nina's menu. Okay, that's what I'm going to be using. Until I see it. You guys still into this window over here? Yes? No? Okay. Under Outdoors. Under Outdoors, do you guys have your name or international?
I got my name.
Okay. Okay, thank you.
Yeah, I think I have my name. I already clicked on
I
it.
have international. I don't have my name.
Okay, Ann.
What are those other things for, like tag and all that?
I mean, you could use, okay, tags, normally use tags, see, when, to apply like, extra names for your particular project, okay? For example, tags right here into this is going to be a menu. You could probably say, okay, tabs, indents, formatting, it's just extra names that you want to apply to your
Oh,
document.
to remind you of what's in there? Okay.
Yeah.
Oh.
The save thumbnail, I mean, basically you guys are not going to see it when you guys save that into one of your folders, okay? If you guys want to see how the thumbnail works, it's only going to work into your desktop, and basically it's going to be like a small picture or the Word document. Instead of seeing it like this, it's going to be like a small page, like a small screenshot of your Word document, okay, if you guys apply the thumbnail. And basically, and you guys will only see it when you guys save this into your desktop. Okay, like a small picture. Okay, and the other one, I mean, if you guys are gonna share this with other people that probably are not using Microsoft Office 2013, okay, just to make sure that it's gonna be compatible with any other versions of Microsoft Office. Okay, there we go, and we click on Save. Again, we are getting the compatibilities. If you guys get it, just click on OK to continue. And here we are. Okay. Now, this is where you guys are going to be applying the. Can you guys display? Yeah, pretty much the whole document, the whole menu.
Highlight it?
Yeah, let's go ahead and highlight them. I'm going to start here on chicken, all the way to honest.
Mr. Martinez, I lost my toolbar. How do I get it back? Is it
Okay,
in view?
no, you're gonna have this little arrow here, right next to the help. Click into that and
You know what?
make sure that you select show tabs and comments.
I'm looking for that. I'm not seeing that on top.
Okay, click on view and make sure that we have the print layout, that you are under the print layout.
On layout, if I hit view, I have edit document, navigation pane, show comments, column width, page color, layout.
Okay,
and
but
under layout, I have column layout and paper layout.
no, it's just print layout, Susan.
You know what? I don't have that.
Martinez,
I don't have that whole thing.
Huh? Okay, double click into one of them, into one of the tabs, and it's gonna. Do you have the tabs?
I only have file, tools, and view. You know what? I changed my screen resolution so I could see the whole thing. I made it smaller. So I had to log out of the seminar and come in, and now I'm seeing this.
Okay, Susan.
Tools? No.
Let's see.
Mr. Martinez, wouldn't we want Monday highlighted too on the menu?
Yeah, please.
Okay.
Yeah. Oh, okay.
What happened?
Okay, no. You have your navigation. Yeah, the navigation pane. Okay, the navigation pane on the left-hand side. Let's go ahead and close that.
Okay.
Okay. Now, from here, bring your pointer into those little three dots on the right type on the right-hand side. You have like three little dots, and click into those.
Okay.
Are you getting anything at all when you click into those three?
Oh, they disappeared now.
Okay. Okay. Now, anything that sometimes when this happens, okay, now come back to the View tab. Click on the View, and then click on Edit Document. And that's going to bring your tabs and ribbon.
Oh. Okay.
Yeah. It looks like you didn't click into the Enable Editing option when you open up this file, okay?
Okay.
If you don't click on Enable Editing, remember, it's not gonna, the document is not gonna be, we won't be able to edit, so we don't have the tools available. Okay?
Okay.
But if you go to the View tab and select, okay?
Okay. Okay.
That
all right.
option, there
Thank
we go.
you. Okay. Thank you.
Okay?
Looks better now.
Yeah. Yeah, much better. Now we can see your status balance.
Oh, wait a minute. Oh, what happened here? Not so fast. Okay. I guess I gotta, now I can see it. Okay.
Okay. Now right here, now right here, this is what we have, right? We have the day, right? And then we have the dish, and then we have a price. Okay? Basically, this is where we are going to be using the leaders and tab, the right tab, okay? To separate the price is just going to be aligned all the way to the right-hand side to the 6.5 inch mark, okay? And we're going to have the leaders, okay? So basically, we are going to be selecting, we can go ahead and select start from Monday, that's okay. Okay, let's go ahead and select from Monday all the way down to the last line of text. Why? Because we are going to be setting, okay, setting up the right tab, okay? So we have the selection. Okay. Now, I have my right tab here. 1 second, please. 1 second.
Okay.
Okay, I'm sorry for that interruption. There we go, okay? So here's my last tab that I use, okay? I'm still having the right one. And basically that's what I'm gonna use because when I apply the tab, see the 6 fictitious is gonna jump all the way to the right-hand side, okay? Now, bring your pointer and click into just one little line before the right indent. This is your right indent, okay? So just click into one line before that. And it's gonna apply your right tab.
Mr. Martinez, I have left tab in there. How do I get it to right tab?
Okay. Click into that once and 2 times, and then you will get the right one.
2 times?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Okay. Perfect. Mm-hmm. So there's the little tab, okay? It is going to be applied to the selected tags. Okay, so we're selecting them because we're going to be separating the price. Now, we need to open the tabs options, okay? So let's go ahead and double click into the little tab, okay? Double click. Be careful to open the tabs, tab positions.
Okay, now I'm sorry, but mine keeps giving me left again. What did you say to do to change that?
Okay.
My little L is facing the wrong way.
Okay, but you have a place right here, right?
Yeah, right there, but...
Okay, and you have the left tab, right?
Right.
Okay, that's no problem. Let's go ahead and open your tab positions, and from here we're going to change the alignment.
Okay.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, anytime that you guys see, apply the wrong one, maybe the left, center, decimal, okay, etc., etc. Okay, we could open this little window. Now, Emma, from here you have 6.38, right? Or pretty close, maybe 6.35. Yeah. Okay.
6.38. Mm-hmm.
Make sure you click on it, and you're going to have your left alignment is selected, right?
Yes.
Okay, just go ahead and click on right.
Right.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
And just like that. See, we change it. Okay? Now, everybody else is going to have the right one. Let's apply the leader, number 2. Make sure we click on set.
Okay, now is it going to change once I hit OK? Because it didn't change.
Well, remember that after we apply the changes here, we are going to be using set, Emma.
Okay, so I'll do that now.
Now look, once we click on set, see the second number 638 is not going to be selected. To make sure that it was changed, click into that, and then make sure that you have the alignment to the right.
Mm-hmm.
And then number 2 leaders.
Okay, and then now hit OK.
Yeah. Once set, just, to be sure, and then OK.
Okay, now it changed. All right.
Now, you guys are going to click.
But once you get out of it, it'll change.
Yeah. Now, let's go ahead and click at the beginning of the price here, and just hit tab. Tab, 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 and tab.
Wow.
Is that going to save time or not?
Yeah.
Yeah, for sure.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, great. And make sure we click on save. Okay, so that's one of the places that you guys could use. Okay, those leaders and your applying your tabs. Okay. Now that was the most important thing because that's what we did on the other exercise. Okay. Now from here, you guys are gonna be doing a format. Okay. Now, what do you guys want to apply to the title? Okay, you guys are probably going to zoom out, make sure, to see how much space we have available. Pretty much we're going to cover the whole page, okay? So we have plenty of space. So here's my title, Nino's Trackside Cafe, back to home, okay? And start working with that. Maybe about 22 points. That, of course, is gonna go into the center. Okay. What color do you guys want to use into that? Okay. I have the Times New Roman, 22 points, bold. Save. And then you guys are going to be working with daily specials pretty much. See, center. Resize. Apply a different color. Maybe bold. Okay. Now, how can we create this extra space between daily specials and Monday?
Hit enter.
Yeah. Okay. Enter. Okay. Now, let me go ahead and zoom in a little bit, okay? Now, I'm going to be working with Monday. I'm just going to highlight Monday. Okay, let's see, we have this type of font, okay, available, Harlow, solid italic. So I just type it in, okay, Harlow, and Word is giving me the rest, okay, solid italic, and hit enter. Of course, we are going to have to resize that. Maybe 16 points. And we definitely need a different color, okay? What do you guys think is going to look good here?
Yeah,
That's a dark red.
Okay, let's try dark red.
Now can we use the paintbrush to change all the rest of them?
Yeah, but before we do that, I would like to create a little bit of extra space between Monday and the dish. Okay. Now, if we hit enter, it's probably gonna be too much, right? Okay. Now, if we come back under, where are you? Yeah, under the page layout. My insertion point is right here at the end of Monday. Okay, now it could be at the beginning or it could be in the middle, in order for the spacing to work. Okay, now remember that we have before. There's going to be the little box above. We don't want to create a space above Monday. We want to create a space below, right, between Monday and chicken. Okay. How about if we apply 6 points? Just type in 6 and then hit enter. And that's going to be creating a little bit of space. Okay? We could pretty
Mine
much...
created a lot of space.
You type in only 6? Just 6?
Yeah.
Really? Is that
I'll
allowed?
try it again, but yeah, mine created a lot.
Are those
Okay.
inches? No.
No, points.
I'll
I'll
points.
do it.
Yeah, they're not inches. Okay.
Yeah. Normally we don't type in the PT, okay? You just delete whatever is there, type in 6 and hit enter. Type in the number and hit enter. And Word is going to place the PT points automatically by default.
Okay.
If we type it in, we're probably going to be getting something else, okay? Yeah, but these are points. 1 point is a 72 of an inch. 1 point, so it's...
A 70th of an inch?
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, in Microsoft Office Word, normally the default 11 points. You know, that's the standard size, right?
Yeah.
Not like in PowerPoint. With PowerPoint, sometimes we went up to 70 points, right? But in this case, no. Okay? Now we could use a Format Painter. Okay, I'm going to highlight it, double click into the Format Painter, and I'm just going to bring my pointer and click on Tuesday, and it's also going to be applying the spacing, see? Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Okay, to turn off the show and hide, we could use the escape key on the keyboard or come back and click into the Format Painter, okay? Either way.
You can click, how did you say to click out of it again? Either one?
You could use escape key on the keyboard, escape, to turn that off.
Okay.
Or just come back to the Format Painter itself and click into that.
Okay.
So you double click into it the first time to put it on?
Yeah, the
You
first time.
highlight what you want, then you double click.
Yeah, the reason we use double click because I'm going to be using multiple times. So I could click,
Okay.
see, I click into one and it's still on. Okay? If I'm only going to apply it into one place, then it's only one click. Because once we apply it, then it's going to turn off.
It goes away.
But we use it multiple times, so that's why we double click into it. Okay? Very good. Now let's go ahead and see. Okay, I'm gonna zoom in because now you guys are. I'm gonna be selecting chicken. Cajon blue. Okay. So the easiest way to select. Remember, we left click at the beginning, hold on Shift and click to the right hand side of the column. And that's gonna be selected.
And what are we doing with that?
We are gonna format that also. Remember, we wanna make our. We wanna make a nice looking menu.
It's the same way, Susan. Oh,
Okay.
come on,
Annie. Let me bring my. Yeah.
I'm in trouble.
No. No. Look. Click at the beginning of chicken. There's your insertion point. Once you do that on your keyboard, hold and Shift. Okay. While you keep holding Shift, you just bring your pointer and click. Okay. At the end, see right after the column. When you click, that's going to be selected. And then you release Shift. And there's your selection. We're going to practice this a couple of times here. Okay. Now, basically, I want to use the same format. Okay, Hartlow. There's my Hartlow. Okay. We are going to be resizing this also as well. Now, here's going to be the question. If we do 14 or... Okay, let's try 16 and see how it came up. Okay, while it's still selected, let's go ahead and apply a different font color. If there's nothing, if I don't see anything that I like here, I'm gonna go to more colors, okay? We could use the standard or custom. And basically I want some aqua here, kind of aqua. Okay, we could move the slider and give us the new color, and here's the current color.
And then click on OK.
And then we click on OK.
Okay.
Yes. Okay, so we have the color that we want.
No, hold on.
No? Okay.
I don't like my color, but that's all right.
Yeah, I mean, choose another color. Choose another color, okay?
Okay.
Yeah, back
Got
to
it.
your colors, more, okay, under standard
Okay.
or custom.
Okay.
All right. Now, if we click at the beginning of chicken and we just tab, what's going to happen? Do you guys get those leaders
Gonna
as
give
well?
us 3 little dots.
Okay.
I didn't get those. Why did you get those?
Well, you probably didn't select Chicken Cajon when we applied the leaders. Okay? That's fine. Let's go ahead and undo that. Now,
Everybody?
yeah, please. We don't
I
want
didn't
those
get
leaders
those.
there. No, if you didn't get them, that's fine. Just bring your text back. Okay, now let's say that we want to move, okay, the text to the right-hand side a little bit, so it won't be aligned with Monday. Okay, if you guys go back to the page layout, we have the indent for the left side and the right side. Okay, let's go ahead and click into the very first one, which is the left indent, and type in 5 point, and hit enter.
Oh, where'd it go? Oh, yikes.
Yeah,
Oh,
it's just gonna be indented.
0.5. Don't.
0.5. 0.5, not
Not
5.
just 5.
0.5.
Oh.
Yeah, don't do just 5.
Oh. Point.
Yeah, it's 0.5. 0.5 and then enter. There you go. Okay, so here's your left indent, okay? So it jumps half of an inch. Are we good?
No, mine didn't.
You didn't?
No.
Yeah. Okay. In other
Do I have
versions,
to highlight it?
yeah, you need to delete whatever is there. Yeah. And then just type in 0.5.
No, do I need to highlight chicken?
No, just place insertion point at the beginning. Remember, this is one paragraph, so that's why it's going to be indenting the 2 lines, because this is a paragraph.
No, it doesn't. No.
Mm-hmm.
It doesn't come out the way like yours.
Okay.
Okay, I have my chicken back aligned with Monday. So now I'm going to go to the right indent. Or is it
Left.
Oh, maybe.
Yeah, it's the left. Yeah, it's going to be the first one on top. 0.5.
How do I delete? I deleted, but it came back from the bottom one.
Okay. Just click into that and type in 0. Select whatever number you have, type in 0 and hit enter.
Okay.
Yeah,
no,
we have
0.5.
we have the indentation for the left and the right. The bottom one is for the right, okay?
Okay, got it.
You got it? No, that's fine.
Yes.
That's really good,
Now
okay?
my chicken is, indented
Okay.
for Monday.
Now let's go ahead and double click into chicken. If we double click into one word on words, it's gonna be, that particular word is gonna be selected, right? Come back to home and double click into your format painter. And then click on clam chowder, veggie, chili, columns, French dip, okay? So it's one click on every single of them, okay? Turkey, bacon, club.
It's highlighting only one word, Mr. Martinez.
Yeah, that's exactly how it's supposed to, because I'm clicking into every single word.
Oh, okay.
And yeah, one click is just going to be applied to one single word, the word that you click into it.
Okay.
Okay, and then escape or click into your format painter. Okay, the only thing that it didn't do was applying the indent, right? Okay, Let's go ahead and place insertion point at the beginning, come back to page layout. Your indent is going to be 0.5. Click on the other one, 0.5.
Oh, so you have to do every one manually.
Yeah, we could do multiples, okay? Just do at least 2, and then we're going to be doing multiples.
Okay.
Okay. Now, in this case, we have some words between, okay, that we don't want to include, okay? So anytime that we want to do multiples, this is a process. We highlight them, okay? Now, that's a paragraph. You guys hold down Control and select the other one. Keep holding Control, and from the left-hand side, select at the beginning of the dish. If you guys come back to the page layout, your indent, again, is going to be 0.5, and it's going to be applied to all the ones that we have highlighted. Let me go ahead and undo that. Yeah. So I'm going to select French dip, including the text below, because that's a paragraph. I'm going to hold down Control, and I keep selecting the other dish, next dish, left click, hold and drag to select, okay? Once we do that, we come back to the page layout, indent from the left side, 0.5, enter.
Mine keeps picking up Friday. What am I doing wrong?
Yeah, mine too.
Okay.
Thursday, okay. You're a French dip and you're...
Okay, remember that. I mean, right now it's being a lot easier for me to select because I'm using the left margin, okay? From my left margin, I'm selecting only what I need. If I do that from here...
Did you hit Shift? After you select your first paragraph, you have to hit Shift?
No, Shift is going to be when we have a starting point and an ending point. In this case, no. In this case, it's going to be Control. Now look, here's my...
Control. Okay.
Yeah, Control. In this case, see, there's my paragraph. I'm going to hold down Control. Then select the second one. Left click, hold and drag to highlight. And then when I'm done, I release Control. Once I do that, then I will be able to apply the left indentation to 0.5 and enter. So we could do that to multiple items then. And make sure we click on save.
Okay.
Okay, and there we go. Pretty much that's what we have. Okay. Now, I'm gonna make sure that we click on save. Okay. And again, I'm gonna be zooming in. You guys probably wanna do that also because now we are gonna be working with the dish. In this case, now we use Shift. So I'm gonna click at the beginning of Cajon, hold on Shift, and I click at the end of the price. And that's gonna be selecting only that area that I want. Okay? Now, from here, we could either apply a different type of font, okay? Different color, etc., etc. But in this case, I'm just gonna stay with Times New Roman, okay? But I'm gonna apply a different font color. How about dark blue? Yeah, only dark blue, because if we apply bold, see, it's going to be creating some space, so no. Okay? Let me see if we have another font, and it probably was better here. Eras Light. Let me try that one, okay? Eras Light ITC. And maybe we could apply bold to that one. Yeah. Give it a try to this type of font, Eras Light ITC. And see if you guys like it, okay? To that one we could apply bold. Yeah, because if it's not bold, it's going to be too tiny. Bold. Can we apply 13 points to that on the font size?
Yeah.
Sure.
Okay.
Anything you want.
Okay.
The answer is yes, we can.
Okay. Okay, perfect.
Oh, wait, which text did you use? The Harlow?
No. Right here we use errors. Light, ITC. So just click there and then start typing in. Errors light.
Eris Light, okay.
And 13 points.
Okay.
And
Okay.
bold.
And bold.
And bold. Sure. Why not?
Now from here, you guys are gonna use your Format Painter again, okay? One word only. 2 clicks on the Format Painter. And now I'm gonna be selecting, okay? Be careful here, okay? Because that's gonna be the only way. Left click, hold it, and just drag it into the number at the end of the number, okay?
Oh,
In this case, we can use the shortcut. It has to be left click, hold it, and drag it over. When we're done, we click on the Format Painter. Make sure we click on Save. Okay. Now I'm gonna do something here. I'm not gonna tell you guys how to do this. But you guys are gonna get shift to the align to your right hand side. Okay. Your name is gonna be below, and you guys are gonna be replacing your name with your first and last name, and that's gonna be aligned to your right hand side.
okay.
I figured it out.
Okay. Perfect. And I'm gonna go ahead and zoom out, okay, just to see whole page. Okay, so we're just gonna be adding a little bit of extra things, okay? Now, if I ask you, okay, this is gonna be your homework, okay? Apply a page border, and you guys are gonna be applying, okay, at least one picture, okay? The picture could go anywhere you guys want. That's gonna be your homework. Okay, and if you guys feel
border and a picture.
Yeah, and if you guys feel like probably Nina's trackside cafes has to be bigger, go ahead and do that. Okay, that's why we see the whole picture, because now we have some extra space, so we could definitely work with that. Okay. Okay. You guys want to apply a border to that? I mean, some shade, if you guys want. Etc. Etc. Okay. Now here's my border, so I'm just gonna do that very quickly. Page border, box. I'm gonna change the color to red. But let's see, I'm gonna be using the double. Okay, Annie? Annie, Mary, Charced, Emma,
Yes.
Jackie, Susan.
Yes.
Every time that I said that you guys are going to be working on your own, you guys go very quiet.
Yes, I'm doing it.
Because we have to concentrate.
Okay,
I
perfect.
do anyway.
Okay,
Oh, wait, how did you get the double line
okay.
around it? Because I only
Okay.
have one box.
Okay, under home, here's my borders, and borders and shading. Make sure that you go under page border, okay?
Right.
And we
got
have
that.
X styles here.
Page border.
Scroll down a little bit. You
Yeah, I
will
was
see
in the
yours.
wrong.
Oh, I didn't scroll. Okay.
And now that you make the change, okay,
never
make
mind,
sure
got it.
that you get the color.
What's up with the hissing? No, because your audio was hissing instead of speaking.
Yeah. Okay.
Why did
Yeah.
mine never look like yours?
When Emma, when you come back here, okay, if you already have another color, okay, make sure that it's been applied to that preview window, okay? But sometimes we need to select the settings, style, color, width, and then make sure that it's being applied under the preview window. Okay? Sometimes we need to remove it and then click one more time to apply the settings that we want. And then we click on OK.
What's the difference between this one and going through design and page border? Is there a difference?
It's a couple of extra
Because I
clicks.
did that before. Okay, but it's the same thing? We'll get to the same place? Okay.
It's the same.
Okay.
The other method is going to bring it to the borders tab, which normally is going to be applied to text. But when you, so from here you have to make sure that you click on page border, and that's where you apply it. So it's
Oh, I
either,
see. Okay. Either one. Okay.
either
I went to the other one.
Okay, now I have it. And you said a picture also, right?
Yeah, please. Okay. So normally we click where I want the picture, right? There's my insertion point, insert online pictures. Okay. And I'm just gonna go with chef, okay? Okay, here's one. There's my picture, but then we have to access, okay, the layout. Type. And I'm gonna resize that picture, make it smaller. There's a little trick here, okay?
Mine is huge. Okay. Move. Oh, gosh. Okay.
Perfect, okay? So on this picture, you guys are gonna be applying, okay? First of all, the tie to move it. Your text is gonna be pushing the text, okay? And then I use the behind text. And applying behind text is just gonna bring the text back into the center of the menu. Okay?
What?
Yeah, sometimes it's a little bit tricky to work with pictures on Microsoft Office Word, okay? So we have to check which option is going to work. Okay, and make sure we click on Save.
I thought this was homework. We already finished it.
Yeah. Okay, that's good. That's perfect. Okay. Questions? No?
Yeah, so type. So you said that was typed and then behind text, right?
And then behind text, yeah, because
Behind
otherwise,
text.
see, it's pushing my text to the left side.
Yeah, that's exactly what I found, and I thought, oh, now what? But then
yeah.
you said that, and I thought, there's my answer.
If we apply behind text, it's not going to be into the behind the text, but it's going to allow daily specials to come into the middle.
Okay.
Okay?
Mm,
Oops.
okay.